Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from crypto.com to Binance. Now, this is actually super simple, and what you want to do is first, you want to start off on the crypto.com application. Now, once you're here, you want to click on transfer, and then because we are sending this to Binance, we're going to hit withdraw, and now it says withdraw. Do you want to withdraw crypto or fiat? We are withdrawing crypto and now it asks, where do you want to transfer it? So we're going to hit on external wallet. Then you can exit out of this. And if you have your Bitcoin wallet already added, you can select it from this menu. However, to add a new wallet, you just want to click on add wallet address. And then it's going to ask which type of cryptocurrency you would like to transfer. Now in this video, as an example, I am going to be using Ethereum. So I'm just going to select Ethereum from this list, and now it is going to ask for my Ethereum wallet address. So to find this, I am going to come over to Binance, and once I am here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit wallets in the bottom right hand corner, and then you will be taken over to overview on this top bar. So switch to spot, and now we can once again scroll down and look for Ethereum, which is right here. So I'm going to click on Ethereum, and then at the bottom here I'm going to click on deposit. So go through all of this, and now it's going to ask for which network I would like to select. So if you go back over to crypto.com, you can see that the ERC20 network is selected. So right here, so once again, I'm going to select the same on Binance, the ERC20 network. Now, right here, you can see that it's going to give me a QR code as well as my ease deposit address. So this address here, I'm just going to copy it and then come back over to crypto.com and paste that in right here. So its name, I'm just going to call it my Binance wallet, and then hit continue. And now it says, please enable your two-factor authentication before proceeding. So because this is withdrawn crypto, I'm just going to toggle this on for two-factor authentication. And now it's going to ask me for a two-factor authentication code, which I am going to grab from over here on Google Authenticator and paste it into crypto.com. And now right here it says your two-factor authentication is enabled successfully. So let's try this again. Okay, so we need to also do this for wallet address with listing, and now this should be done once again. It's going to ask me for a two-factor authentication code, and then as you can see here, the wallet has been added to my list, and you can see my Binance Ethereum wallet is now on, and I'm going to click on withdraw Ethereum too. So this, and it asks me how much Ethereum I want to withdraw. So I want to type in the amount of dollars that you would like to withdraw. So this would be $1,000 worth of Ethereum, and then just hit withdraw. And then it will take you over to this final withdrawal screen, and it's going to tell you how much you're sending from and where to this address right here, and the network type and the fee and how much the Ethereum you're going to get. So once you have the read through and you're happy with it, just hit confirm at the bottom, and you will start your transaction of transferring cryptocurrency from crypto.com to Binance. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.